This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamrook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't.
He's a mafia who works on the top. What? She was shocked when she read about it. Reena, Thea, what he's planning? She was utterly confused and she's walking back and forth while she's lost in her thoughts. Reena, does Thea know that Uno works on the top? I don't know what he's doing, she said to herself and she ruffled her hairs in frustration. Reena, is Thea is planning about something? He's meeting Uno at night. I think he's planning something, she said and she sat on the bed. Reena, but I can't understand why he's doing all of this. What he will get by doing this? She said to herself while biting her nails. But suddenly, her eyes fell on the laptop. Reena, I should know about him. I should find complete details about Uno. And she opened the laptop. Her eyeballs are moving continuously. Only the tapping of the keyboard can be heard in the room. She's keenly reading about each and every point about him. And she got some information about him. And she closed the laptop with a sad sigh. And she slowly leaned towards the headboard of the bed and she slowly mumbled under her breath, Reena, is he doing this because of Ryan? Jungkook, baby doll, please help me with the tie, he said, and he let out a small chuckle and he looked at it. You can't even tie your tie. How can you describe yourself as a mafia? I pity you, Cook, he said with a little smile and he spoke with sarcasm. But you gasped in shock when he grabbed you closer by your waist. You placed your hands on his chest and you're looking at him with wide eyes. Jungkook, what happened, baby doll? What's scared under me? Come on, kiss me now, he said while sneaking. You jerk, he mumbled under your breath, but unfortunately he heard you. Jungkook, it's bad to curse on your husband, doll, so I have to give you the punishment for cursing on me, he said, and you looked at him. You what? I'm not going to do anything. Jungkook, you're not escaping from me and my punishment is... He came closer to you and he whispered near your ear. When you heard his words, your face turned red. You what? You said with a shocked face. Jungkook, didn't you hear it? Wait, let me say one more time, he said and he came closer to your lips and he spoke while looking into your eyes. Jungkook, your punishment is to kiss me every day and that is final, he said and he sighed a little and he pecked his lips. But he was not satisfied and he spoke to you. Jungkook, don't you know the difference between peck and kiss? Wait, let me show you, he said and he softly placed his soft lips on your plump lips and he is kissing you passionately and you gave in and you also kissed him back. After a few minutes, you broke the kiss and you spoke. You, let me tie it, he said and you grabbed the tie and you started tying it. Meanwhile, Jungkook is continuously staring at you. His actions made you blush. You, done, you said and you dusted his shoulders. You, okay, now you can go to office, he said and he pecked your forehead. Jungkook, take care and call me when you need anything, he said and he looked at you and he gave a small smile to you, and you also gave him a small smile to him, and he left the place. Time skip. It's around 2 in the afternoon. You took your phone and you called Enoch. After fearing, he lifted the call.
इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू। इन्नू की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए साथ तू। हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। सागर वर्गियां गहरियां अखियां, सूरज वर्गा निक तेरा, जुल्फ सुनहरी शामा वर्गी चानण वर्गा मुख तेरा। है पहाड़ा दी ठंडी हवा तू, मैं हारा ही यारा मेरा रा तू। हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना सजना जीण दी वजह तू। दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू। जल रहा हूँ अब बुझ जाने को दिल करता है, तेरी जुल्फों में उलझ जाने को दिल करता है, दिल करता है तुझे कर लूं मैं करीब इतना कि तेरी सांसों में अब घुल जाने को दिल करता है। दिल दे विच दे दे थोड़ी जी थां तू, ना दे पिछे ला ले मेरा नाम तू, हाय दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू, दिल तू जान तू, दर्द दी दवा तू, जद तक मैं जीना मेरे जीण दी वजह तू।
मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा, तू है मेरा सैया, सैया, तू जो झूले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में गुम हो जाऊं, तेरे नाम में हो जाऊं सैया, सैया, मेरे दिल खुशी से झूमे गाएगा, गाएगा, पल पल मुझे डुबाए जाते जाते जाते, तुझे गीत गीत हारूं, ये प्राण प्राण मारूं, आए ऐसे मैं निहारूं, तेरी आरती उतारूं, तेरे नाम से जुड़े हैं सारे सैया, सैया।
दुआ भी लगे ना मुझे, दवा भी लगे ना मुझे, जब से दिल को मेरे तू लगी है, नींद रातों की मेरी, चाहत बातों की मेरी, चैन को भी मेरे तूने यूं ठगा है, जब सांसें भरूं मैं आंखें करूं मैं नजर यार, तुझ पे प्यार आया, पहली पहली बार आया, ओ यार दिल को कराया, तुझ पे प्यार दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां मेरा ज़मीं को मेरी यादें पूरे हैं, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। एक एक करे क्यों तारे